Today I give you a quick tour through Orbitype.com, our Agentic Cloud OS. In this video, I'll show you how to use Orbitype in daily business tasks spanning from basic CRM to production backend as a service use cases up until full-scale agent solutions in one seamless tool. We will check out production examples ranging from CMS to custom RAG chatbots. We will set up our own workspace, including database and storage, and building our first agents in under 1 minute. We check out the Snippet library and check out future features we are currently working on. Let's dive right in. We start by creating our new workspace. We select the production resources we want to deploy into the workspace, like database, cloud storage, and private cloud storage. Click Continue. Now we see our workspace is created. We have resources such as our database and our cloud storages. We have dashboards and we have automations. More on that later. For now, we start with creating our first table. We choose to do a post table. We can review and change the table here. We can continue. Orbitype generates the SQL. You see everything is native SQL, so we can render any structure. We click on execute. Now the table is created and we can create our first row. The user interface you see here is dynamically generated based on the table structure. And it also recognizes that we have cloud storages connected to our workspace. There, it doesn't matter if the database or the cloud storages are provided by Orbitype itself or provided from different cloud operators. Now we can select the image we uploaded before and save our first blog post. We also have the possibility to dive deeper in. We can build sections in infinite recursion. We can switch to the code mode. In code mode, we see all the data in JSON format. That's an important concept of Orbitype. This allows developer to work faster and more efficient, and also allows our AI agents to precisely control all things inside Orbitype. As a next step, we will build our first AI agent. For that, we go to Automations, Workflows, create New Workflow, choose AI Agent, and click Continue. Here again. So now we can give this agent certain tools like sitemap extractor, Google search, page analyzer, and whatever we want. Also, we can use custom tools. We click on Continue, we click on Manual, create Workflow, and now we are having our first AI agent, which actually can research the web and provide us a response. We now can click on Execute Workflow to see it running. Now the agent has run and we can check out the results down below. Here's the results. All these results can be piped into a next node. We can add them here and then using the input field to develop that workflow further. Here I can also connect them. Every workspace comes with a full-fledged API for all resources which are connected to the Orbitype workspace. Also, each Orbitype database comes with built-in RAG support. Means if we check out our other workspace, we can go to Workflows and check out our automations, which builds a RAG, like for saving knowledge and extracting knowledge, which is saved as a vector database inside Orbitype. This can be used to build on-brand social media automations. Like here, we have embeddings table and also social content table, and we have workflows which are generating LinkedIn content, so we can have them with full content from an agent with a prompt here, which generates the blog post based on the information of our RAG system and the internet. Then it also attaches an image via the OpenAI image library. Everything here can be customized as you can code, or later on use vibe coding to build those workflows. To authenticate with services like LinkedIn or your database from external providers, you can add credentials, which are always part of the nodes you are using in your workflows. Another example would be AI outreach. For that, we have a different workspace built. Here on our smileads.ch website, which exactly looks like this, we have built a fully fledged web application based on the Orbitype API system, and also have workflows built on top of it, which, like this one, select a lead from our database, selecting a sending email also from our database, but a different table, and then running an AI agent which has specific prompts to reach out to those companies using all information the agent has from our RAG system, you see here, and effectively sending the email via SMTP. This is a really helpful workflow, and it helps us to reach out to hundreds of people every day. After sending an email, it tightly integrates with the resources. You can check it out at the conversations list, where we can see all the information of the sent email in our custom database structure in our Postgres database. Here we see our messages. This is the email which is sent, and at the same time we get a cold outreach phone script set here with all the contact information. To go to our next use case, we switch to our marketing website Workspace. But especially interesting in this one is our content pipeline. We have, first of all, an agent which writes and researches information on the web to build comprehensive blog posts with the knowledge of our RAG system. This allows our whole team to save knowledge into our RAG system during the day and makes creating blog posts a breeze. It's an easy 3-step automation where we can run the agent. Then we generate SEO and metadata and an image for the blog post, and then save it to our database. For our project management workflows, we have Notify Discord about to-dos workflows. We have new leads to Discord, and so on. We also have an agent which researches in the internet for solutions for newly added tickets. So half of the work is already done. All those workflows speed up our daily work extremely. Last but not least, I want to show you that you can connect Orbitype even to legacy projects like this one. This is a production database of a web application. Orbitype allows you to connect to those databases and renders all the information for you. This way, you can just explore any database and make it accessible to your team and to AI agents. To speed up the development flow and also grow our community, we have built Snippets. In Snippets, everybody can share node snippets with each other to accelerate the development flow and use it in their workflows. Orbitype Snippets contributes to the overall intelligence of the Orbitype platform. By clicking on the robot here, you can open the Orbitype chat. Here you have a chatbot, which assists you throughout your Orbitype journey. It has access to all the information in your workspace. And the feature we are currently building is that it also allows you to wipe code your whole workspace. This means it can create database tables for you. It can fetch data from those tables. It can create workflows which integrate to your tables. It even can spin off real resources like databases and S3 storage, which allows you to build scalable software solutions, all inside Orbitype. This feature will allow Orbitype users to build full-scale business automations without any coding skills in the long run, but also perceiving the possibility to always check out the code and fine-tune everything to your liking. For non-coders, coders, and AI agents. This way, AI agents and your team can work seamlessly together.